So one of the questions that we get asked is, hey, a storm just happened. I have damage in my siding. Can you come out and take a look at it? Absolutely. Let's set a time and date. We'll have to come out. And then when we get there, one of the questions is, hey, will my insurance cover this? Do you work with my insurance? Wind or hail has damaged your siding. There's a very high likelihood that your insurance will cover it. You will need to get with your specific insurance. The thing is, a lot of it has to come down to what's your coverage and who's the carrier. And so, if we get involved with 8 to 10 projects a year where the homeowner is filing a claim with their insurance company, 3 or 4 of them, it's really easy. Insurance sends someone out and says, yes, this is damaged. Here's what I think it's going to cost. We provide a detailed quarter estimate, and they either say, hey, we're going to cover all of it, or we're going to cover a large portion. But that's only 30, 40% of the time. And so the other 60 to 70% of the time, it's your insurance carrier saying, hey, I realize that one wall is damaged and you can't match it, but tough. We're only going to cover one wall. We're only going to cover wrap windows. And so a lot of insurance carriers will cover, 75% of the contract to 100%, but 2/3 of the time, it's kind of a battle with your insurance based on your coverage on what they'll cover. A lot of times they'll try to cover $3,000 to $5,000 on a 2,000 square foot home. And I couldn't even buy new vinyl siding. It kind of wouldn't fix anything. I'm happy to help provide a quote and talk to your insurance company. A lot of times you're going to have to do some legwork. Most of the time they'll come up, but 2/3 of the time insurance companies on siding don't really cover what you need to get new siding.